Hi, I'm Laura Handke, Lake Oswego's transformational voice teacher, and I'm spotlighting people that I know here on LinkedIn and celebrating how they use their voices in the world. Well, today's spotlight is someone I actually know pretty darn well, Cathey Armillas. We were both on TV Toastmasters together for a while, and I've worked with her as a voice student. Now, Cathey is simply one of the most positively energetic people that I know, and I simply can't say enough good things about her. Plus, she has fantastic vocal technique, and I am not taking credit for that. And we also happen to like a lot of the same music. So Cathey is a speaker, a trainer, a marketing expert, and she's a TEDx speaker coach. Now, her bio reads that she is the creator of How to Rock a TED Talk audio and coaching program that coaches people on how to get, prepare, and deliver a TED Talk. It's also the same program that Fortune 500 companies use to train their teams on how to give better presentations based on some of the same characteristics that make TED Talks successful. And she also says, all marketing is about getting people to love you. The Unbreakable Rules of Marketing book is the 9.5 rules that govern how to get people to love you, your company, your products, your ideas, or your cause. Now, here also is something super new and exciting for Cathey and her colleague Mark Williams, whom I have not met yet. I look forward to it. And they're doing a web show called It's About to Go Down with Mark and Cathey. It's a live coaching show about dropping ideas. How much fun is that? Now, knowing Cathey and her vivacious and contagious and engaging energy, it's going to be fantastic. So check it out. And again, I'm Laura Handke, Lake Oswego's transformational voice teacher. You can schedule your free 30-minute vocal consultation or sign up for my next Saturday morning voice lab at laurahandke.com, and you can find me right here on LinkedIn.